Jamaican Chinese food is just undefeated to me. In all the countries I have been to, me is yet to taste a Chinese food as good as Chinese food in Jamaica.
Now this is the comment. You know what's even better than KFC? Jamaican Chinese food. And I feel like people don't expect to hear this, but Jamaican Chinese food is top tier. You haven't had good sweet and sour chicken until you had it here. And I know you guys are gonna ask me to show you. I don't have any Chinese food on hand, but I promise whenever I get some Chinese food, I will show you. But showing you is nothing compared to you tasting it. Trust me, I do not hype things up if they are not worth the hype. Jamaican Chinese food is worth the hype, worth the hype. Oh my God, it's worth the hype. If you come, get some sweet and sour chicken and fried rice. And thank me later.
Today, we are entering a whole different world of flavor. Jamaican Chinese food. Listen, if you think you have tasted everything Jamaica has to offer, think again, because this right here, this is the silent ruler of the island, the undefeated champion, the food combo nobody expects, but everybody falls in love with. From Jack-style chow mein to oxtail-fried rice, these dishes have people absolutely losing their minds. Let's get into it.
Hold up, would y'all ever try Jamaican Chinese food? Before y'all get mad, it's not what you think. Imagine a Jamaican remixed your favorite Chinese food and made it better. I'm talking oxtail-fried rice, oxtail lo mein, all on the same plate with some mac and cheese and oxtail. You don't need any duck sauce or nothing for this food. The seasoning is there. They have everything from General Tso's chicken, these fire henny wings and shrimp. And if they didn't pull this Rasta pasta out, I would've thought they was fake Jamaican. The food is bust. Everything here is a 10 out of 10.
And I have to come here to make this video because whole heap of people come to Jamaica and talk about how KFC in Jamaica is the best. KFC in Jamaica is undefeated and nobody is talking about the shiny food. Look for nice shiny food cooked in a Jamaica. I mean, no say no for uno go a China, go be disappointed. And let me tell you, I have traveled to a few countries and I am yet to taste shiny food as good as this here that you see on the screen. All of this was made in Jamaica with love. Look for nice, all the different style. And you
all right, people, we're in Jamaica, and I'm gonna tell you right now, I had to try Jamaican Chinese food. So right now we have vegetable pork fried rice, the Jamaican way. Rastaman, wagwan. So I'm gonna tell you how this Jamaican rice is. Jamaican pork fried rice, by the way. Hold on.
We have an empty wonton.
Well, there should be cheese in there, but hold on. Let me see. Here we go, people. Let me see. Wait. Here we go. Here we go. This is what we all been waiting for. Let's get the chicken. Here we go. New York chicken. Be mad like suspect. I don't know if it's cat, whatever. I don't know what it is, but let's see. Yo, my man, I might end up moving to Jamaica for the Chinese Jamaican food. This chicken is a 10. People, I gotta tell you, Jamaican Chinese food is busting.
Jamaica has the best Chinese food I've ever had in my entire life. The first place we went was Jade Garden. We got everything from here: sweet and sour chicken, eggplant, shrimp dumplings, rice, lo mein, spring rolls, you name it. Everything was so good. I also went to Tourist Garden where I got their boxed lunch. It was sweet and sour chicken with rice and bok choy. And the other place we went was called Summer Palace Restaurant. I didn't get any videos of that, but also amazing. So it's hard to rank because everything here is just so elite. I love it.
So people always ask me what is some of my favorite food to eat in Jamaica. And one of my favorite things is Chinese food in Jamaica. Sweet and sour chicken wings, white rice, steamed pop chow. Yes! Oh my goodness, we got the chicken and black bean sauce. Oh my goodness. I want to get some chicken fried rice. 2 of them! Mukbang time. Favorite Chinese food, right?
All right. First dish on the table, Jack chow mein. And let me tell you, this one should come with a warning label. May cause uncontrollable smiling. Someone takes a bite. Hold on. Why does it taste like two different worlds had a meeting and decided to create greatness? And immediately, the confusion begins. No, sir. This spicy, but it's not Chinese spicy. It's just spicy. How? That's the Jamaican twist. Little hint of jack seasoning that sneaks up on you like a slow fire. Next up, oxtail-fried rice hits the table. Now this one is dangerous because after you taste it, regular fried rice will never feel the same again. One person takes a bite and stops mid-chew. No. Now, this should not be allowed. People don't understand. Jamaican Chinese chefs didn't just mix oxtail with rice. They upgraded both. Look at the glaze, the softness, the seasoning, everything working together like a perfect choir. Another person says, whoever invent this, give them a medal. And notice, nobody talking. That's how you know the food buzzing. Silence. Sweet and sour enters frame. And then we have the one that always shocks people. Sweet and sour chicken with that Jamaican magic. Someone bites and freezes. Wait, is that pineapple? Pepper? Spice? Yes, all of it. At the same time, you taste buds didn't sign up for this roller coaster. But here we are. Another voice said, this is sweet but not too sweet. And spicy but not too spicy. Jamaica just balance everything. That's the thing. Jamaican Chinese food is all about balance. The Chinese flavors carry the tradition, and Jamaica adds the personality. And here's the part many people don't realize. Jamaican Chinese food didn't just show up one day. It comes from decades of Chinese influence on the island. Families who came to Jamaica built businesses, opened restaurants, and blended their traditions with Jamaican culture. The result, a whole new cuisine, not Chinese, not Jamaican, but something in between, something unique to Jamaica alone. By this point, plates are empty, people are negotiating for leftovers, stress. They were asking each other who ate the last piece. That was mine. And everyone has the same conclusion. Why does nobody talk about Jamaican Chinese food more? Because once you try it, you are hooked. So after today, tell me the truth. Which dish would you try first? Jack chow mein, oxtail-fried rice, or sweet sour chicken with that jar twist? Drop your answer in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe for more reactions from around the world and more love for Jamaica, the island that keeps surprising the world with flavor. See you in the next one.